Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make introduction or intro in Scratch. So let's get started. So we're gonna make this 3, 2, 1, go. So this was a very basic intro. You can make it very easily. And this requires no clones or nothing. You just need some costumes. First of all, we need the logo you want. This is the Apple logo I made. And then we have logo with text, what text or your username is on Scratch. You don't need this. You need a blank costume. It should be blank completely. So these three are the requirements. Then you have the script. So first of all, here you can see when I just start the project, it just rotates and decreases its size and comes to the center. So to do this, first of all, it will hide and wait 1 second. After 1 second, then it will just appear. This is optional. If you want, you can just put it or else you can remove it. Then go to X0Y0. Then go to front layer and show. So it will be just visible. Then switch to costume blank. I said you need the blank one. Then set size to 400. Why we are doing this? Like if the costume is blank, then the Scratch would think that it is a very small, like 2 by 2. It should be 0 by 0, but here it's 2 by 2. 2 by 2 costume. So set size to 400 would be very easy for it. But when we switch to costume logo is a very big thing, like 154 by 177. So if we just do normally like set tier size 400, you can see it locks at 306. We cannot go any further than that. So to do this, we'll go to blank, set size 400 and then logo. You can choose it according to your Scratch like logo, and then point in direction -90. So it should be pointing in the left, and then it will repeat 24 times. Turn 7.5 degrees right. So 7.5 into 24, as you can see here, 24 into 7.5 would be 180 degree. And we want to rotate from left to right, just like if you are pointing here. So just like this, 180 degree would be direction 90, like right. And the right direction would be the idle direction. Then we need to change slice by -10 by 24 times, like -10, you can see it is -240. This won't work if even if you set it to 500, it will just get to near 80. So what we can do is you just need to set it to 400 and then set size to 80. Even if you remove it, it won't work if you are thinking that. Then set size to 80 because it is some 82 or 76. So we need 80. And then wait for a 0.5 seconds so the person can see the logo. And then repeat 10 times. Change Y by 2.5. So it will just move a bit up. Like 2.5 into 10 is 25Y. Like here you can see it just moves up. And then the logo appears, like logo with text with our costume. This is the logo costume without any text. Then we have logo with text. You just need to put that title or your username and then blank. We need three of these. So logo with text. Then wait for 1 second so the user can read. And then clear graphic effects. And then repeat 10, change ghost effect by 10. So it fades away. Like here you can see, it just fades away. And then to make this fade in, like when the game starts, so you just need to make another script. Like if we are waiting 1 second here, so then we can make another script and wait 1 second. So the scripts are at the same time, running at the same time. Clear graphic effects, set ghost effect to 100 and repeat 20, change ghost effect by -5. Or you can just make it 10 and here -10 if you like. It just fades in as it is disappeared when the ghost effect is 100, and then after it just -10 by after it decreases the ghost effect to 0, the apple will be or the logo will be 100% visible. So I'm setting it to 20 and -5, and here you can see what I got. So it's a pretty basic one. If you wanna just put your things, like you just need to put your logo. So you have my logo. This is a sample logo, you can say. I will delete the Apple one. And then we have here, you need to just copy and paste it in the position and delete the old Apple logo. Then instead of Apple, you can put anything here, like my name is Panjo there. or if you have a custom logo for this too, you can just put it there. So yeah, I have this one, so you can just put it like this, and here you can see we have the both costumes, and now this will work for this too. You can see this worked very great. You can make small modifications according to your choice, and you can just make your intro very easily. I made this like logo with text costume because I don't want any clones for the intro at least. So this was all for this tutorial. If you want some better intro, I'll just put a link in the description. You can check that intro out. It's by Tralexi. And this intro idea was by Astro on my Discord server. A big shout out to him. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.